It's been a very warm day ahead of our next storm system that will move in tonight into Sunday morning. And because of that, we have a wind advisory for those shades in blue. In those areas, those winds could gust up to 50 miles per hour. So might want to secure the backyard furniture, and winds that high could knock down tree limbs, cause a few power outages. Check out these future winds. So here's midnight tonight. Notice how they're really starting to strengthen near the Smoky Mountains on the western side of those mountains. That's where the stronger winds should be. In the plateau region, could be seeing some of those stronger gusts as well. Cold front moving through Sunday, and as that front does, those winds will shift to the west and still staying pretty gusty as we go throughout the day Sunday. So keep that in mind tomorrow. If you have plans, you might want to rethink that because it is going to be windy, and along with the wind, there will be some chances for rain along that front. Here is 5 a.m. Sunday morning, looking dry, but a front will move in, and as it does, it looks strong, but the ingredients really aren't there for strong storms. That instability is pretty low in the morning, so that line will be on a weakening trend, but there could be a few downpours, some lightning. That flood threat is low, but I do think pretty much the whole coverage area will be seeing some rain Sunday morning. Maybe some redevelopment Sunday afternoon as that main front moves through. The atmosphere might recover enough and that instability could increase for a few storms, but not expecting a widespread severe storm threat, and then we should see that drop off Sunday afternoon into the evening as some drier air moves in. Severe storm threat Sunday morning, mainly for our western counties. As that line moves in, that risk will shift to our eastern counties by Sunday during the afternoon. Again, damaging winds, locally heavy rain. Those are going to be the main threats. And as far as the rainfall, maybe a ½ inch up to 1 inch. The rainfall totals don't look very impressive as that line will be moving pretty quick across the forecast area. Temperatures are going to be kind of interesting tomorrow. Daybreak mid-60s, temperatures kind of falling throughout the day, and by dinner time I think we're going to be in the 50s and 60s. And check out what happens overnight. It gets flat out chilly. We're going to be down into the lower 40s Monday morning. Beyond that, I think some dry air hangs out. Drop those chances down to 20% Tuesday as another cold front moves in. That looks mainly dry. Cooling off again next week. Temperatures, I think those highs are going to be in the 60s Wednesday through Saturday. Maybe another system next weekend. We're going to have to keep a close eye.